Falling from height and the falling of objects are two of the leading causes of death and serious injuries on work sites. Working at height, on the one hand, can be very exciting, but on the other hand, it contains dangers and can cause fatalities. Let's have a look at the risks that exist while working on ladders and scaffolds. The basic rule is that we should always wear a helmet, safety boots, and a distinctive vest. Where necessary, we should use safety harnesses, goggles, earplugs, gloves, and so forth. What's the key word we need to have in mind at all times in order to avoid unfortunate incidents from happening? Precaution. At this point, let's see what instructor Mr. Kostas Philippou has to say to his trainees about the rules that will keep us safe when working at height.
Θυμάστε προηγουμένως που λέγαμε κατάβαση με δυο σημεία και είχαμε το σύστημα κατάβασης, ορίστε, και το σύστημα ανακοπής πτώσης.
The fall arrest system is the most important security system which the high-altitude worker has to use. Attaching the system to the appropriate link provides greater security. The internally wrapped rope in the fall arrest system unfolds as the user moves away, or it gets drawn when approaching the device. It also automatically locks when a fall occurs, similar to a car's seatbelt. It is understood that the ropes which are fastened to harnesses must be tangled and not hanging, so as not to obstruct the work. The ropes and straps we use, either for our personal protection or for the lifting of construction materials, have a certain degree of security from their manufacturer. The operator knows in advance how much weight each instrument can lift. The manufacturer performs the necessary checks, indicating the safety factors. The operator must also check the condition of the ropes and harnesses and read the safety rules and instructions before using them. In case we need to use a ladder to perform some work, we must check whether the ladder is in good condition and place it at a suitable angle, that is, a meter away for every 4 meters of height. We do not keep any tools in hand. We do not go up the ladder by using only one hand. We hold and climb up the steps steadily in order not to fall. Here we have a unique safety patented use of a ladder invented by Mr. Kostas Philippou. Of course, it requires the use of a safety harness with hooks. We pass the rope between the 2 highest steps of the ladder. Then we pass it around the pole and then bring it up again between the 2 steps. But this time we do it upside down, that is, from the bottom to the top. The rope we use must be 3 times the height we will climb. We set the ladder to the height we want. We bust down the 2 edges of the rope on the lower part of our ladder. The rope must be stretched to prevent it from getting folded, which could cause the arrest system not to work. We secure and check that the system really works, and then we go up. In case we fall, the fall arrest system is automatically activated and helps us avoid the worst. There must always be a second person to help. When setting up a scaffold on wheels, we make sure that the space is free from obstacles, the wheels are locked, and the floors are secured. Scaffold stabilizers are essential. Fixed scaffolds require full flooring throughout their width. We always keep our workplaces neat and our tools in a toolbox. We prevent tool drops by attaching them to our belt or wrist. We do not put tools in our pockets. When working on large platforms or scaffolds, make sure that there is a protective edge, for example nets or boards, correctly positioned. We never work on our own or when we're tired. It's everybody's responsibility to ensure safe working at height in the workplace, because if not, the consequences will not only affect us, but other people too, like our family or co-workers. Therefore, let's be well trained and keep ourselves safe.